How to reset Stripe account password. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Stripe account's password. In order to do so, first of all, open your Stripe application on your mobile device and here you'll need to tap on the sign in button. Once you tap on it, now you'll be presented with the login interface. In the login interface, here in the email box, tap on it and enter your email address associated with your Stripe account. Once after entering the email address, in the second box you will need to enter your password. Since we have forgotten our password, in order to reset it, you will need to tap on this forgot your password link at the right side of this password. Once you tap on it, here you'll be prompted to enter your email address. If you have already added your email address in the previous page, you don't need to add it here. Now once after entering your email address, tap on this continue button right here. Now a recent link will be sent to your email address. You'll need to look for an email from Stripe that contains password reset link. This should arrive shortly after you submit your request. If you didn't see it in your inbox, you can also tap on this resend option or try using your different email address. Now once you get the email from Stripe, open your email inbox to check it. And inside it here you'll be able to see this reset your password button. Tap on it. Now you have resetted your password. You will need to now create a new password for your account. Tap on the new password box and enter your new password. Once after entering your new password, enter the same password in the second box in order to confirm. Make sure you enter both the password correctly. You may also tap on the I button at the right side of each of these passwords in order to check. Now tap on this continue button to complete this reset process and then you will see you have successfully reset your password. Also, if you have two-step authentication enabled, you may need to complete the process as well by entering a verification code sent to your mobile device. Now once successfully reset, tap on this continue to dashboard button right here and then you will be taken to your Stripe account. So by following these steps, you can easily reset your Stripe password. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.